Today, students explored the magic of magnets. They experimented with two magnets, discovering positive and negative polarities through hands-on play. Then they got creative by drizzling paint on a plastic sheet, placing a paper clip on the paint, and using a magnet underneath to guide their designs. This activity strengthened problem solving and fine motor skills.
No, they don't like each other. Red and red? No, they don't like each other. I want you to try it, okay? Play. Picking on, okay? No. Yes, it likes it. Does it like plastic? No, nothing. Does it like wood? No. Does it like metal? No.
Yeah.
Yeah. Does it like metal? Yeah. Does this one, does it like plastic? Okay, do this one. Does a magnet, does it like plastic?
Science. T technology. And E engineering. M mathematics. STEM, STEM. STEM, STEM, STEM.